Alright, so let's do number 22. Performance ratings of stocks are approximately normal with mean 100 and standard deviation of 20. The stocks with the lowest 10% performance ratings are classified as bleh stocks. What performance rating separates the bleh stocks from the other stocks? To solve for this, I'm going to pull up and write it out. Let's erase our old stuff. Alright, what we got here is we got a question that requires us to use z equal x minus mu over sigma. But the problem is we're not solving for z because z is going to be given to us already. Z is given to us because they tell us the 10th percentile. Now, it's not, z is not actually 10%, but we're going to have to go to our table and figure out what 10% corresponds to. So luckily I have the table formula. So we're going to have to find 10% and then find out what that z value is at 10%, right? So 10% is 0.1. And 0.1, where's closest to 0.1? 0.10. I'd say right here. 0.10. It is negative 1.28. So negative 1.28 is actually our z, right? Let's write that out. Negative 1.28. Let's write that out now. Negative 1.28 equal x. Right, x minus, what's my mu? Remember, let's go back to the question. Mu is 100 and standard deviation is 20. Cool. Sorry if this is taking some time. All over 20. Alright, how do we solve for x and separate it or isolate it? What we have to do is we got to multiply both sides by 20. Yeah. Multiply both sides by 20, and what that does is it cancels out the denominator here. So what you're left with is negative 1.28 times 20 equal x minus 100. Now how do we finish this? How do we continue to isolate x? Well, we add 100 to both sides, which will cancel that out. So add 100 here. So what is x? X is equal to this whole thing. Let's pull out our calculator and figure that out. Negative, what do we do? So negative, this is the negative button right here. So you guys know negative 1.28 times 20, right? Plus 100. What's that? 74.4. So, sorry. 74.4 is the value of x that separates the stock as bleh stocks. This is our distribution. So this is our mu equal 100. So essentially, this is the 10% right here, yeah? This 10%. And that x value that separates everybody is 74.4. So that's it. That's all the question is asking. All right, let's go back to the question. What performance ratings separate the bleh stocks from the other stocks? 74.4. To show the work here, basically you're going to have to write everything I have here, right? Write this formula, identify everything. If you have this as your answer, you're going to get the full credit. So follow the process. That's it.